Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. On my right hand, this is our news products, and this is the countertop ceilings, the electric fryers. And we can give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire length is about like 17 inches. And the wide about like 11 inches. And the overall height, they are almost like 11.5 inches tall. As we can see, the unit is made by stainless steels, and they come in with one lid and this basket inside. Looking at the top of the units, we have a power indicator lights and hot lights, and also having the switchers. You can adjust the temperatures from here, and also they give you the temperatures, the convert informations from the Celsius to the Fahrenheit. And the units from the manufacturer, they give you the standard 110 plugs. At the behind, they have a stickers information on it too. So we can take a look closer to see the burning space dimensions. When we just open the top lid, the basket inside, it is about like 7 inches wide and 8 inches long and 4 inches deep. They do have a holding positions. When you finish your cooking, you can just leave oils to hold it on this hinge. And for this pan trays inside, it is about like 5.5 inches deep, 9.5 inches wide, and almost 12 inches long. That's what will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.